Hi, and welcome to another Coast Ride as we get through COVID. Cathy Sabater, mortgage planner and proud veteran. What's happening? Who's out of touch? Who's out of touch? Well, the media is out of touch if you ask me. So what's happening with unemployment? Are the benefits running out? What's going to happen? So right now, stocks are mixed. The Dow is trading near unchanged levels, and S&P and the NASDAQ are moving a little slower because what? Yesterday, they hit an all-time high. So mortgage bonds are trading about the same. So remember, when people invest in the stock market, it depends on what's going to happen with mortgage-backed securities. So as you can see here, there's a little bit of gain that we've had. They're a little down because they had a wonderful run yesterday, and the 10-year Treasury is at 0.625. So as you can see right here, we are maintaining this 25-day level. If we can get back up, right? So take a chance and float. For those of you who have locked, good for you. And for purchases, of course, we have timelines that we have to actually make sure that we lock accordingly. So as far as CDC is concerned, they're saying we may have some sort of vaccine coming soon before the end of the year. So not sure what kind of data that's not available to us as a public, but that would be fantastic news should that happen. It was 18 months ago when they were talking about margin compression. So what's margin compression? So I don't know if you've noticed, but some banks are no longer here. And that's because margin compression means it costs so much money to get a loan out. Can the bank sustain themselves? So from the beginning of the first quarter, banks were making maybe $1,600 on a loan, and now they're making about $45, $48. But remember, everything has to be retro, right? Because if I wasn't making as much money first quarter this year, last year was the same thing with the compression, which means, remember when rates went up? Of course, the borrowers are always the one who have to foot the bill. As far as unemployment is concerned, we got news that, hey, it's lower than what had been expected. However, some of the data that's not in there is the PUA, which is what? The pandemic unemployment claims that are out there. And those are the people, usually the self-employed people, contractors that in the past would never qualify for unemployment. So theirs have claimed it went from 2.6 million to 13.6 million. So that's a lot of people not working. So in total, there's about 28 million people that are collecting unemployment benefits, which is about an 18% unemployment rate. 18%. Imagine. That's pretty high. So what do we do next? So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen with the stimulus plan. We know it's an election year, so we have a lot of things to concern ourselves with. I can't believe it's already September. We're still in COVID. October, November, election. We'll see how that plays out for us. Stay safe. Any questions, call me, 619-846-2675.